Okay, I'm going to go over some examples for our homework assignment for lesson 1.1. Our first one, we're instructed to find the value of the underlying digit. So our first step is to put our number on the place value chart. So we always know that the last number to the right is in the ones place. So we're going to put that 5. Let me zoom in. We're going to put that 5 in the ones place, then that 1 in the tens place, then that 2 in the hundreds place, that 3 in the thousands place, that 0 in the 10,000s, and that 4 in the 100,000s. Now, the underlying number here is actually 3. So this is the number we're trying to find. So we're going to look where it's under of. So we notice that it's under the thousands. So that means here we have 3,000s. So we're asked to find the value. Well, we know that it's 3,000s. But now, how do we write 3,000? Well, if you notice this little comma here, there's a comma. So to write the value of this digit, which is 3, we write our 3, comma, because there's a comma here, and everything else to the right is going to be 0, because we only care about the value of the underlying digit, or in this case, the 3. So we know, based on that the value of the digit 3 is 3,000. Okay, on the second part of our assignment, we are asked to again use the place value chart, but also find the value of the underlying digit and also use our drawing tools or our little drawings we have to show the place value. Okay, remember when we started in our lesson or in our Cornell notes, we have how to show. We know that if we do a little square, that is 1 or the ones place. 1. If we have a line that represents 10, if we have a square with 100, that represents 100 or hundreds. And if we have a rectangle with 1,000, that represents thousands. So, oops, that's supposed to be a U. Let me rewrite it. So remember, the rectangle represents the thousands. Okay, so let's begin by writing our number on the place value chart. Again, I start with the number to the right, which is 6, and that is in the ones place. So I go 6. I have a 5 in the tens place. I have a 2 in the hundreds and a 7 in the thousands. The underlying number here is the 5. So I need to look at the 5 here. Now the 5 is under the tens place. So that means I have 5 tens. What do we know about tens? So to show that, let's use our tools. Remember the tools we learned that are in our Cornell notes? And I know that I can represent tens with a line. So let's do that. So I'm going to draw 5 because I have 5 tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so I know that they're all tens. So a strategy I could use is I can count by tens. So I can go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh, I have 50 in here. With all of these tens, it makes 50. So then I know that the place value of the 5 in this number is 50. So there you go. That's how to do the problems for our homework.